Hi Balu, how are you doing?
Yeah, I am good, Ravi. I am good. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm also good. It's been a great that you have joined this call. I'm
Yes.
very glad that you will be sharing the experiences that you have gained so far, and you'll be sharing this thing with our Fires community member. So, thank you for joining this call with us. And could you please give us a brief introduction about yourself? How did you come to know about this trading industry, and what's keep you going when you started this?
Yeah, sure, Ravi. My name is Balu from Bangalore. I have started this trading from 10 years back. When I was working in FAI, I was normal working from 10 to 8, 10 to 6. I was doing a normal working hours. But once I was very passionate about this trading, initially I was not knowing anything about trading, anything else. But slowly I started introduction about a forex trading. when
Okay.
my friend started uh, when my friend started doing a trading, I was little bit started knowing about very I was very curiosity about knowing about the index, the US 30, about Nasdaq levels, and including in India the bank nifty levels, nifty levels, and all. I was able to watch it, so I was not able to understand, so I started the training with a local training. Then I was very excited in the beginning, stating that I can earn a lot of money in the beginning itself. So, as every trader in this world, initial stage, I was very much curiosity. I thought we can go hit the buy button, hit the sell button, we can earn so much money. I directly put into the trading zone. Then I started the trading, and as you know that we went with huge losses. Then I got, okay, this is not the field where we can go ahead, and we require a lot of training because see, in every business there is should be a lot of training for everyone. But trading itself, everyone will jump into trading to make money. See, everyone wants to make money here, but it's not so easy in trading also. We require experiences. Main thing, the knowledge gaining is the main thing here. So I started slowly seeing the market. It took me around approximately around 7 to 8 years to know exactly what is trading and how the behavior of a price action and everything else. And this about 5 years I got to know 3 years back through the social media itself. And I was able to see, yeah, it is very good opportunity for a good traders only. And 5 years is an excellent platform. If you are able to do a good trading here, if you are able to whatever the condition will give the 5 years, you're able to do it, and it's very easy condition. But we require a lot of psychology here. It's not the main thing is not a strategy here. It requires a lot of psychology because we need to prepare a lot first thing. Then only we can do trading a consistent basis. A trading is not about just a 1 day win or a second day loss. You need to be very consistent. So I started acquiring a GAN knowledge. I started reading a lot of books like a GAN, the GAN timings and the price action levels. So I tried with all the training programs, but I was not satisfied with any training programs, and I was not able to pass the challenges actually. Not even 5 years I have tried with all the pro forms, but I am not able to do it. I was keep on trying. Then I started reading the books and a lot of price action and the GAN levels and the GAN timings. Then slowly I started to pass on the challenges and come into the stages.
Yeah, that's a very long journey that you have shared. So, can you please tell us like how much time it took you to become actually profitable in this trading industry?
See, to be honest, wise, it took me more than 7 years.
Okay.
Clearly to come into the. I started 5 years back itself a problem. All I started with FTMO actually. I started
Mm-hmm.
with the FTMO and I tried with a lot of challenges. Then I got introduced to the fivers and I was funding pips. I was doing it, and I was keep on trying with the challenges, and I was not able to cross that line. So somewhere mistake was happening and my psychology was affecting. Even though I had a great strategy, when I was back testing, it was everything will be fine. 100%. But when we go to the live market, it is not so easy. So our psychology affected. So I just started to working on my psychology side. Then from past 2 years, 3 years, I'm very successful, and I'm able to pass with one go or two go with one challenges or two challenges. I'm able to get the funded and I'm able to get the payouts also. So I'm now also I cannot tell that I'm very much expert trader, but yeah, fine. I know the path and I can do it easily.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That's very great to hear. So, could you please share your Fiverr's platform, Fiverr's dashboard, so we can see your trades that you've taken on your live funded account and how much time it took
Yeah.
you to pass your latest evaluation?
See, these are my funded certificates which I've got from 2 years.
Okay, so there are a lot of funded accounts that you have already passed.
Yeah. And I got it, the payouts and the total payouts I received so much. And
Okay.
my orders, these are the, I usually trade on the indexes actually. NASDAQ,
Mm-hmm.
BTC, and US 30. These are my major favorite pairs in the US sessions. So that gives an edge to make us a more profit actually. And but we need to be very much in risk reward ratio. Like for example, I will share the screen my trading view. This is a chart of my setup is actually.
Yeah, you can
So
share
yesterday setup,
a brief strategy, and then you can share the setups that you have taken.
yeah. See, this is the yesterday's. For example, for 12th November, this one taken. See, there is a current timings and there is a price action. I will not go for any indicators actually. Those indications are lagging, all the indicators are. So it's just a basic price action and it goes for a US session. Whenever before US market comes, there is an indication with the timing. So every day there will be a timing called around 5 to 6 o'clock or maybe 7 to 8 o'clock. So these are the timings. So I'm just looking for a breakout those period of time. Once you have a breakout, you will take a buy position here and put a stop loss here. The high position will be around 48, 133 and low, I'll keep the stop loss and I will keep a target around 1 is to 2 risk reward ratio. Sometimes market will be very volatile. So it will be once the market moves more than 100 points, my
Hmm.
stop loss will be moved into the my starting point. And I always trade with the stop loss. Whatever the market will, without stop loss, I will not enter any trades.
Okay.
And not only US 30, my even including my Nasdaq 100. My favorite trades are either US 30 or Nasdaq 100 or gold. The three things are there. See, gold also the same pattern. Gold actually works in sessions, two sessions it will be. One is Shanghai, where in the early morning setup, it works with a beautiful with the time frame. So I just waiting for the early sessions in the market. I took very smaller lot size. So bigger lot size, whenever I trade with the bigger lot size, so it ended up with losing a challenge. So I just tried with a smaller lot size. So I just took up with a breakout. Whenever the end of the Shanghai session it comes out and just waiting for the breakout. Once it got the breakout, then it'll take with a stop loss of around 10 points or 20 points. Now market is very volatile, so around 20 points or for a target around 30 points or 40 points. Like that, I'll be doing it. And Nasdaq control also same thing. The three scripts are my favorite scripts to trade in here.
So your strategy is revolving around the breakouts of support and resistance.
And it's about the timings of the sessions. For example, on a
Okay.
gold basis, I will be trading on a basis on the ending session of the timings. So what whenever the Shanghai time ends, I will just go for with a breakout. I'm just see the price action levels and go for the breakout. For
Okay.
US 30 and Nasdaq, I'll go before the US market opens. There will be a kind of a breakout. Like example, yesterday itself, once the market got started with the price action and once it got a breakout, then we'll go for a bigger move or whatever the move is there with a stop loss. Without a stop loss, I will never go for a trade.
So
Whether
so
whichever script. Yeah,
there's a time window that you have decided that I have to
correct.
come to this time, and then we'll
Yes.
see for the breakout is happening. Then I'll
Yeah,
go for long
from
and short.
correct. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir. Now, before I used to trade with the morning to evening. That will not is going to work out because we are always seeing the market continuously and we are tired enough and we are stressed enough. And moreover, strategy, psychology trading from if you are sitting in the front of the system from morning to evening, it is very difficult because if you have a good strategy also, maybe a strategy with 95% accuracy or 98% accuracy also, we are stressed out to take a trade out. So it is easy to know that wait for the time whenever US market before US market opens and wait for the breakout. Then if you take it, it will be 100% of 100% of a success rate.
Okay.
And moreover, when you're taking a trade, also risk reward ratio is very important. You cannot go for a altogether. And a 1% risk per trade that will be a great. And at 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 1.5, that will be great enough to go for a trade.
Okay. So let's say you have a $60,000 account. So what is your average lot size for like your NAS trades and then US 30 and your gold trades? So what is the average you are going
Zero
with?
point 0.5 lots in US 30, 5 lots or 6 lots maximum. If
Mm-hmm.
stop loss is very low, if stop loss is around 30 to 40 points, then we can go for a 10 lot 12. Well, because the main thing is that not a lot size main thing is here, because we need to calculate according to the stop loss. So if the
Absolutely.
stop loss is bigger than 100 points or 150 points, we need
Mm-hmm.
to reduce a lot size. Because this was the experience I learned in the beginning. Because beginning when I started to take the prop challenges, I was not able to complete any prop challenges because of the this is the problem. And we cannot go for a over trade also. Per day, one trade or two trade, maximum three trades. If it is not going your way, you need to definitely calm down here, because that is the emotion we need to control. Because the trading is nothing but emotion. We need to control the emotion. So
Absolutely
this
correct.
much of experience also still we are having. I'm having an emotion. I cannot say that I don't have an emotion, but that is a trader business to control the emotion to be very consistent enough. Even I'm having a lot of dreams about growing in a good platform like Fivers, because Fivers gives an excellent platform to for excellent traders. So I'm just learning. It is a trading is nothing but about a learning. We need to learn every day. That is the main thing. Yeah.
Okay. So it's great to hear that you have a unique strategy. A time window is, I think, not many people are following this type of strategy. So
Yeah, that is the main
yeah.
thing. See, we actually, in the beginning, I started with all type of indicators like Bollinger Band, Fibonacci, even whatever the indicators I started. I was not satisfied with any of the indicators. I was not able to pass the challenges, or I can make the profit from my personal account also. I tried with everything.
Mm-hmm.
Then I think we know that in India, in throughout the world, we have even crores of people are doing the trading. So we are competing each other. So we need to be very unique in everything actually. So I
Absolutely.
tried, I was keep on trying. So there will be something in the market. Only thing is that we should try enough. That's it. We should keep the confidence enough to move in the market, and we should not have more risk, and keep on trying. So I'm able to do it, and I'm very satisfied actually in
Yeah,
trading.
great to hear. So, is there any funded goal that you have planned? Like, I'll be getting this much amount of funded with Fiverr or with prop firms. Do you have any goal for that?
Definitely, I want to be an elite group in 5 hours. So that is my dream. I'm working on towards a dream. I want to be 500K funded trader in 5 hours, and I want to scale up on each every time. I am trying hard for this thing actually. I'm doing every possible way. I'm learning on everyday basis. I'm keep on educating myself, and whatever the trade, I just go for a journal it on every trade. If I make a mistake, now also I'm making a mistake on everyday basis. So I just try to how to avoid these mistakes. That is the main thing. In trading, mistakes are common. So I'm just trying to learn from that mistakes, and trying to journal every day. But I want to improve on the every day, and I want to scale up in 5 hours. So this is a great platform for a 5 hours who wants to be very successful in trading. And definitely, I will become. I have a confidence. Maybe within around 1 or 2 3 months, I can make it with a very bigger account size in 5 hours itself.
Perfect. So, is there something that you can give advice to new traders who are coming to this trading industry? What should they be aware of and what should they avoid first in order to not make too many mistakes that you have mentioned?
See, don't look out for a profit on an everyday basis. Look out for a pattern, look out for a strategy, backtest it, and control the emotion. Psychology, see, strategy wise, everyone have a strategy. But to get out a profit on every strategy is not so easy. So, psychology wise, you need to be prepared enough. If you're following some strategy, follow the same strategy on at least 7 days a week. 7 days a week or 5 days a week, you just follow with the same pattern. Don't worry about the losses. Don't take more lot size. Keep it very small. Keep it very small. That is what my advice is. Keep it very small. Have a consistent basis. Once you are consistent basis, then you can grow the confidence. So don't look at payouts on a day, on a directly basis. It will happen definitely, but you need to be very controlled thing. If you are able to control your emotion, and definitely any strategy might be, I might be following this strategy. Any strategy will work, but you need to follow the same strategy for a longer period with a smaller risk. And moreover, risk reward ratio is the main thing. So don't go for a risk reward ratio like a 1:1 and all. A minimum 1:1 1.5, it definitely will help traders actually.
Well, that's a great advice for new traders. So, thanks for
Yeah,
joining this call, and I hope Fiverr's community will be learning a lot of things from this information that you have shared. So, thank you, Balu,
sure.
for joining this call. Yeah, have a great day.
Yeah, thanks, everyone. Yeah, thanks, and thanks. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye. Thank you.